Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily change your header or edit the header in Site123 and what are the ways how you can edit it. So let's start with the pages. The pages are really easy to edit. When you go here and you're gonna delete something, it will automatically go away from here. If you want to create a drop-down menu, what you want to do is click here and add a new category. And category, as you can see, it's here. And when I'm going to add a page like testimonials, you got a drop-down menu. Really simple. So let's continue. First, what I wanted to show you is you can edit the logo here. So as you can see, name and logo, you can change the logo size here and logo style. You can also edit with the text or no text. Also really simple. Now you can edit the structure here. You can choose what kind of header you would like to have, and I don't know, let's choose this one. This one is fine. Now there are two actually ways how we can edit the header. The first one is when you're gonna click here and you can show also the number. You can show email, social networks, shopping cart tool if you want. That also like possibility. So now when I'm going to click pages here, no, go to design, go to customize, and go to website structure. No, go to advanced. You're gonna see it here that you can change also the header. And you can also change the header size here. Or header font. And menu link style, what kind of menu you want. So this is also how we can do it. And you can also change the sticky menu here. So that's also a possibility. So these are the two things how we can actually edit the header, and it's quite simple. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and feedback. Yes, so here in website and when I'm going to click here and edit the header. So these are the two ways how we can do it. It's pretty good, it's pretty simple, but still I don't recommend you using Site123, honestly. Don't use this web editor. Go with the Squarespace or Webflow or Weebly. Or if you want to have like dropshipping store, go for Shopify. That's what I recommend you to do. So yeah, thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.